Greetings, future Gaston College students. My name is Audrey Sherrill. I'm the Vice President for Student Affairs and Enrollment Management. We are thrilled that you've chosen to spend some time with us this evening to attend our 2020 virtual open house. While things will look a little bit different this evening with this event, we're going to provide you with many opportunities to learn a lot more about Gaston College. Tonight, you can learn about enrolling at our institution, applying for financial aid, and taking college courses while you're in high school through our College Now program. You will also learn a lot of information about the outstanding programs that we offer here at Gaston College. Speaking of those programs, I'm going to turn it over to Dr. Dewey Dellinger, Vice President for Academic Affairs, to talk a little bit more about that. Have a great open house. Can't wait to see you on campus.
Thank you, Dr. Sherrill. I'm glad to be here, and I'm glad you're here too, because we have a lot of programs that I think you'll find to your interest. We have tonight represented areas from arts and sciences, business, information technology, engineering technology, industrial technology, health, human services, public safety, public services, you name it, we pretty much have it. And all of our faculty are very excited to be here and to talk with you. So if you have any questions, please explore as much as you want. And hopefully you'll find a career path to your liking and to your choosing. And again, we're happy that you're here with us tonight. Thank you.
Good evening. We hope you're comfortable and ready to learn about all the great things that Gaston College has to offer. Before you leave the stage area, which is where you are right now if you're seeing this video, let's walk through a few basics of how to use Hopin. You can participate in this event on a computer, your phone, or a tablet. We recommend, if you're on a computer, that you use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for the best experience. If you're using a tablet or phone, then use Safari for iOS devices and Chrome for Android. Internet Explorer and Edge do not work well, and we recommend avoiding those two browsers. You can access all the features from any of these device options, but the look and navigation are going to be slightly different depending on which device you use. On my screen, to the left is what your computer will look like, and to the right is what your phone view is going to look like. So for example, when you're watching this video on a computer, you can see the other event areas to the left, and the stage chat area is going to be to your right. On a phone or tablet, the other event areas show at the bottom of your screen, and just above the event areas bar is a circle with an arrow in it. Clicking or tapping that circle is how you'll open the chat window. Right now, you can see the chat area for the main stage. If you click on Event, it's going to show you the chat for the event area. Everyone can see the event chat area in each area that they visit. The stage chat area can only be seen when in the stage area. The same goes for sessions or each individual booth chat. Now, just above the event stage chat, there to the right is an option called polls. If you click that, you can participate in one of our event polls. Now, you should have started when you entered the event in the reception area. It's easy to get back here, but most likely you're here for either our sessions or the expo. So let's talk about those next. If you're interested in one of our live sessions, navigate to the sessions area. This is on the left if you're viewing on a computer, or will be across the bottom on your phone. Just click or tap to enter any of the live sessions once you're on this screen. When you enter, you'll either see one of our team members on screen talking, or you'll see a presentation they're sharing on their screen. They'll be repeating the presentations every 10 to 15 minutes, so you can jump in whenever you're ready. Attendees don't have audio or video capabilities in the sessions, but there is a session chat. You're welcome to ask questions or ask for more details right here. If you're on a phone, just remember to tap that circle to expand the chat window. Finally, be sure to navigate to the expo area. This is where you'll find all of our virtual booths. There are booths for programs, booths for different departments or services, and of course, the Enter to Win booth. To visit a booth, you're just going to click or touch on the screen to enter. Most of the booths will have a short video that you can click to play. A few of the booths will show a Google slideshow if they don't have a video. When you're in a booth, the chat feature works the same as it does in the sessions or the stage area that we already talked about. You'll see it on the right on computers and then tap the circle to see it on your phone. We encourage you to ask questions, and you can do that by tapping right into the chat area. Also, when you're in a booth, just above the chat area, you'll see a menu, and just to the left of chat, you'll see booth. Click on that, and you'll see more information about the booth that you're in, and a button that either says Visit Website or Register Interest. If there's a Register Interest button, and you would like someone to follow up with you, simply click that button, and the booth will be notified so that they can follow up with you after the event. There's no form to fill out or extra steps. Clicking the button automatically sends us your email address, and that's how we'll reach out to you. That's it, folks. Those are the basics of navigating our Hopin event. We know that a virtual open house is new to most of you. It's new to us too, but we want everyone to get as much as they can out of this event. So if you're having trouble, head over to the expo area and visit the Get Help booth. We'll do our best to help you have a positive experience while learning more about Gaston College. Have fun!